We start with two new words which are commonly used. I like, which is ich mag, and I like it a lot. Ich mag es sehr. Now let us get to know it better with a few sentences. I like Hamburg in summer. Ich mag Hamburg im Sommer. Summer in German is der Sommer, male. Ich mag Hamburg im Sommer. Two new words again. City, which means die Stadt, and village, which is das Dorf. Now look at this sentence. Do you like living in a village? In German, when asking about liking to do something, we don't use the same structure as in English. Instead, we use the main verb and add the adverb gern, which includes the liking of the main verb. So the question structure is a main verb, a subjective, the adverb gern, and the location. Live, as you know, means leben. Do you like to live? Following the newly learned rule would be lebst du gern? A village, das Dorf. In a village, in einem Dorf. Recall the declination. Das Dorf is neutral, so it's in einem Dorf. The full sentence is, lebst du gerne in einem Dorf? One more. Do you like going to the market? Do you like going in German is Gehst du gern? To the market, we had that before, you know, is zum Markt. So the sentence is Gehst du gern zum Markt? Gehst du gern zum Markt? I like my job. When talking about liking a noun or an object, we can use the same structure as in English. So, ich mag meine Arbeit. To sleep means schlafen. Schlafen. Now try and translate this sentence. They like to sleep a lot. They like to sleep is sie schlafen gern. And a lot is viel. They like to sleep a lot. Sie schlafen gern viel. Sie schlafen gern viel. Okay. I love cold cola. Ich liebe kalte Cola. So look at this one. I like to see television. Remember, you're talking about loving an action. So the sentence is, ich sehe gerne Fernsehen. Now let us see the following expression. I don't like to do, and a verb is ich, verb nicht gern. So that means I don't like to go to school. Ich gehe nicht gern zur Schule. Ich gehe nicht gern zur Schule. I don't want to go to the market. Market means der Markt. Ich will nicht zum Markt gehen. Ich will nicht zum Markt gehen. New words again. Time, which means die Zeit. And finish, which means beenden. Now this sentence. I like to finish my work on time. Ich beende meine Arbeit gerne pünktlich. Ich beende meine Arbeit gerne pünktlich. I cannot finish it in one day. I cannot. Ich kann nicht. Finish it in one day. Es in einem Tag beenden. Note that the pronoun it, es, in German, changes position when putting the sentence together. Ich kann es nicht in einem Tag beenden. Which means welches in the neutral form, welcher in a masculine form, or welche when it's a feminine form. What time is now? You learned that last lesson. Now is jetzt. Welche Zeit ist jetzt? I don't have time for you. Ich habe keine Zeit für dich. New word, which is to eat, essen. I have to eat something now. Ich muss jetzt etwas essen. Ich muss jetzt etwas essen. I like to eat in a restaurant. Ich esse gern in einem Restaurant. Ich esse gern in einem Restaurant. I don't like to eat fruits. Ich esse nicht gerne Früchte. Ich esse nicht gerne Früchte. They don't want to eat fruits. They don't want to eat. This means, sie wollen nicht essen. And as fruits is a noun, however, remember, keine for the negation of a noun. So, sie wollen keine Früchte essen. There are some words in English and German which have the same spelling and meaning. For example, digital, in German, digital, or ideal, in German, ideal. Or some nouns like a finger, der Finger, a park, der Park. German speakers also use a lot of English words, one-to-one. Here are a few examples of many. Baby, shoppen, which is a word for to shop. Business, call center, marketing, meeting, stylish, dancen, which is a German word for to dance, T-shirt, and many, many more. The hospitals in Germany are very expensive. Expensive, you already learned that, means teuer. But before you translate the sentence, you need to know the two words are, which is sind, and very, which is sehr. So the full sentence is: Die Krankenhäuser in Deutschland sind sehr teuer. Die Krankenhäuser in Deutschland sind sehr teuer. It is ideal weather for the park. Es ist ideales Wetter für den Park. Es ist ideales Wetter für den Park. Berlin is the capital of Germany. This is fairly simple. Berlin ist die Hauptstadt von Deutschland. Are you coming to the music festival? Remember, this is a question. So, kommst du zum Musikfestival? A new word, close or near, means nahe. Now this sentence. We live very close to the call center. Wir leben sehr nahe beim call center. Beim is a short form of bei dem. Wir leben sehr nahe beim call center. Prefer means bevorzugen. I live in the city but prefer the village. Ich lebe in der Stadt, aber bevorzuge das Dorf. Another new word, from, which means von or aus. From here means von hier. From there means von dort. Another new word, next, which means nächstes in a neutral form, nächster in a masculine form, or nächste in the feminine form. Next week. Week is die Woche, feminine. So it's nächste Woche.